Introducing MWF, a leading digital framing solution that unlocks the full potential of Revit. Transform Revit into a powerful automation and manufacturing tool by leveraging MWF's built-in intelligence to accelerate the design and fabrication of light-gauge steel and wood framing, all inside the Autodesk Revit environment. Accelerate the modeling of walls, floors, and more in timber and cold-formed steel. Improve coordination between architectural, structural, and MEP teams. Easily generate fully dimensioned shop drawings, complete with cut lists and bill of materials to feed manufacturing teams. With MWF, you can easily create data-rich models to use in the production of CNC output and product delivery schedules, using your Revit project as a direct link to your manufacturing equipment. MWF is the solution of choice for Revit users working on timber or cold-formed steel projects. Relied upon by engineers, architects, contractors, and vertically integrated design build firms throughout the world. Try MWF today.